What's going on, guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. Holy crap, he's going fast. Anyways, back to the intro. Welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. Today we're gonna be testing out this loopy-loop once or twice on both sides. We're gonna try them on both sides. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a flip around. We'll see if we can go super fast. We'll go to that side first and see if we can get some speed. I got my floor wears on just to let people know that we're gonna be coming around these berms here really fast. So hold on, we're getting some speed. And we cannot do it. Okay, so I don't think we're gonna get speed from this side. But guess what? There's a ramp right here, so we'll see if we can get some speed. I'm gonna back up onto this ramp because this thing is hard to turn around. But anyways, guys, we're gonna go up. This thing is really hard to back up. Like I said, we're gonna need a lot of speed to get up this hill. And then back down it. Because you get a major speed from that. But not major because you just slide back down. Alright, guys, we're going to try something else. Well, we're going to be done with these ramps. We're going to see what you guys want. And, comment down in the comments below what you guys want in the next video. You guys want me to do more of these? You guys want me to do, like, freeze tag? Or what? So, yeah, I customized this. I didn't know about this game until today. Well, a couple weeks ago. Whoa. What kind of car does he got? We're making money, just money and money by driving around here. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go see what I can buy while I'm driving there. While I'm making money while driving there. We're going to make this big jump and we're going to head back to the headquarters to where we buy cars and stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this big ramp, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. We can make it from this side too, but we're going to head on to this dirt road right here. And what just lead us to right here. Onto this road right here. And we're going to take this dirt road. Because we're going super fast right now. And we don't want to get the cops on us. Well, there's no cops in this game. So we won't have to worry about those. Whoops. Wait, the dirt. We're gonna be in there right there pretty soon. Alright, we're here. Perfect. Love this. You can hear the blinker. Listen. We're gonna pull right in here. Actually, we're gonna pull in here, actually. This is where we can buy them from. Oh, we gotta open the door. Oops. I'm stuck. Let's back up a little bit to open these doors. There we go. And then we're gonna want to close them. Press this. See what car we can buy. Wow, that's a lot of money for that car. Yeah, let me know, guys, like, what car should I buy? See, I cannot buy this one. Yeah, but we're gonna go and see. We're gonna make a lot of money out of these guys. Let me come down here. See if did we get it? Oh, no, we didn't. Well, we got the truck. And, oops, I did not mean, okay, yeah, let's get out of here before we break any stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop back on the truck here. My old red Ford. Wait, is this a Ford? Well, we don't want to say no names now. So, it's not. They don't put the tags. But it kind of looks like a Ford and probably like a GM truck somewhere around there. Oh, custom shop down that way. I already know that. What we're going to do. Oh, wow. Look at that guy's car. It's awesome. What we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we can steal somebody's car. Okay, here goes nothing. Ready, guys? Here goes nothing. We'll see if we can steal this guy's car. We're gonna park right up beside him. We're not gonna get out of the truck until he goes inside. Crap. He's gonna be parking over there, not over here. Dang it, he's leaving. So guys, we'll try to follow this guy. Just try not to get reported about this. Let's see if we can get this guy to stop. Oh, where's he going? Whoa, whoa. See if we can get down here very calmly, soft. So I think he knows we're following him. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull off. We're gonna find him again. We're gonna pull down this way. We might be able to find him again. Try not to troll people here. Let's see if we can get to his car. Let's see. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is he? Okay. I lost him, guys. I lost him. Anyways, it's almost 9:45, and that's when I had to stop this video. That's when my thing will stop, but be done anyways. So what we're gonna do right now is wait until he comes and shows up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to that car dealership, see if we can find him. We're gonna sit there. We're gonna park a car somewhere, and we're gonna sit there, and hopefully he don't realize his car's gone, and he might spawn it back. Let's go back to the car dealership. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Because I only got 4 subscribers. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to that video. This video. Yeah, that's all I need you guys to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll give you guys more. If I can reach probably like 100 likes on this video, there will be another one. But who's got the chance that that's gonna happen? Like, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably go down where this arrow says. Let's see, we're gonna go down this way. Let's see. They're all open. We're gonna go for the middle one here. We're gonna go for this middle one. Middle one's the best. The middle's the best, guys. So what we got here, we got some, let's go to the very last one. Let's see, oh, headlights. Oh, look at that, they're green, they're green. Let's see, we can have them green. Let's have them green. Okay. That's done for, that's gonna be the end video, guys. Bye bye. Like, comment, and subscribe.